Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Woody here. I've been up here working, getting wood ready for tonight. Haven't been up here to the bushcraft, well, semi-bushcraft shelter except for the tarp. But I was going to burn that, and I think I'm just going to maybe use that for some type of table. But I've got plenty of wood gathered up. I've got the fire ready to start. I put that clear tarp over the end of it to keep water out of there, keep it dry up in there. Hold it on with these little clips. You get 10 of them in a pack. That over there's Star's bed, and there's my cot. There's my emergency blanket, the water I left up here last time. Yeah. We're going to come up tonight. We're going to cook a good dinner. We're going to sleep up here. I want to show you. This is the tree that, I guess I got one more on here. Oh, yeah. This is the tree that I took down. There's where it fell. And the way it was leaning kind of towards the shelter, I did not trust it. So I feel better now with it down. And I'm going to have plenty of wood. We're going to cook a good, healthy meal tonight. Everybody's been commenting that I don't eat very well, so we're going to try to cook a good meal tonight. I went ahead and pulled everything out of there. There's a lot of room in there. Hung the blanket up to air out. Star's sleeping bag. And I pulled that out of there too. That had moisture under it, even with a ground sheet, it had moisture under them. I have found that when you have something on the ground, that there will be moisture under it, even through the ground sheet. I can't tell you why, but it does. I need to put something on there to place for a hang a light in there. I will work on that today. Got a nice bed of coals now. I started making a bushcraft hammer, you all. On the last video, you guys could you've probably seen it if you follow my channel. If not, this was just a piece of wood, and I wanted to make a bushcraft hammer. So I flattened this side out so I can baton with it. And I got to looking, and it looks like it's got a whale's eye right there, and it's kind of shaped like a whale. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I may make a tail out of it and try to make a whale. I'm not sure yet, but we're going to use it for something. Having salmon, and this is bacon cheddar potato shreds. And all you do, this is a microwave cup, but I'm heating water. I'm just going to put water in it, let it set for about 4 minutes. This salmon I'm going to cook in the foil. I did clean my hands. I'm going to put a little olive oil on it. Okay. Make sure that lid's on that olive oil. I have lost a jar of olive oil before by not putting my lid on tight. I gotta get Stars ready. She's having dog food, chicken chunks, and a burger tonight. And she doesn't eat a lot of burgers, you guys, if you think she does. We're gonna go ahead. The chicken's cooked. We're just gonna wrap this burger up, get it pretty well done. I know a guy that's totally against cooking with foil, but like I say, to each his own. This is heavy duty foil. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. But we'll go ahead and get her burger in the fire. I brought the all powers tonight so I can keep my electronics charged. Let's go ahead and get Stars off. Ow! That is warm, Woody. You guys should have warned me. I'll put that down there for now. We never put any salt on these, but they do have a little bit of sodium in them. It got done quickly. Put her a little bit of dog food in here. Just a touch of olive oil. They say olive oil is good for their coat. And then her chicken. It got up to 64 today. I think that's what it got up to. We buy chicken breast at the store, and we just boil it. It makes its own broth. She likes it. That's what she gets tonight. A lot of dehydrated foods companies today. That's probably the way to go. This is a semi-long fire tonight. I've got everything cut about 3 foot long. We are having a total lunar eclipse tonight. So I'm going to try to get some video of that. This big piece right here is locust. If I can get that thing to burn, I'll be doing pretty good. That right there is going to be the cover of the shelter. Once I get in, I will cover it up, the end of it. And clear should still let the heat from the fire through. Okay, let me see if this is close to being done. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's got bacon, cheddar, potato shreds. Ooh, that is still warm. Fire feels good. Yeah, I'd like to go out to Missouri and camp with them boys sometime out there. Got to get up to Michigan, do a meetup up there. They have a meetup, the Fatwood Queen. She got a channel, and they've got a meetup up in Michigan that I couldn't make last year, but I am going to try to make it this year. See if this is any good. That's good. Got a bacony taste. It's a light cheddar taste. I don't like too heavy of a cheddar. Got little bacon chunks in it. The potatoes are good. Yeah. This is what I'm going to see if it's see if that rubs any good. It's nice and flaky. That is good. I don't feel like I'm cheating myself at all. That rub's got lemon in it. It's got garlic, pepper, salt. Tastes like I'm having steak, you guys. I'm excited about this total lunar eclipse tonight. In case I doze off, I set my alarm to wake me up about, I think I set it for 2:15, 2:30. The total eclipse is supposed to be at around 2:48 in my area, Eastern time. Fire feels good. Once I get up and move away from it though, it's chilly on my arms. I do have a long sleeve to put on. I'm gonna try the time lapse again tonight. I haven't been having much luck with my GoPro. I think I might have had a bad battery, but I threw it away. Well, we are in bed. Probably gonna have to get up and go out, feed that fire in a couple hours. I have my alarm set for 2:15 so I can get up and get some shots of the blood moon. Good night, you all. Good morning, star. It is 6:27.